gases. In this video, I am going to discuss about calorific value of fuel and the harmful effect of fuels. Fuel and calorific value. The amount of energy, that means amount of heat energy produced on complete burning 1 kilogram of fuel in pure oxygen is called the calorific value of a fuel. So fuel should be burn 1 kilogram in pure oxygen, then the heat energy produced is called calorific value. Okay. A fuel which produces more heat per kilogram is to be a higher calorific value. The more the calorific value, the better is the efficiency of a fuel. Calorific value of a fuel is expressed kilojoules per kilogram. The calorific value of some fuels are here: cow dung cake 6000 to 8000, wood 17,000 to 22,000, coal 25,000 to 33,000, petrol 45,000, kerosene 45,000, diesel 45,000, methane 50,000, CNG 50,000, LPG 55,000, biogas 35 to 40,000 and hydrogen 1,50,000. Characteristics of a good fuel. A good fuel should be cheap and available and easy to transport, be easy to store, have a high calorific value, not produce harmful gases like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of sulfur, oxides of nitrogen, etc. Have a low ignition temperature. However, this ignition temperature not should be below the room temperature or not around the room temperature. They should undergo complete and controllable combustion. Complete combustion means they will not produce pollution after burning and it should be in control condition. Among the three states of fuels, that means solid, liquid and gaseous. Gaseous fuel is the best fuel. Why is it best? Now gaseous fuels are supplied in cylinder or through pipeline. Hence their transportation cost gets lower. Gaseous fuels release large amount of energy. They also do not leave behind any ash particle or solid residue on combustion. Gaseous fuel produce least amount of harmful gases like carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, least amount as compared to liquid or solid fuels. Gaseous fuels can be easily ignited even थोड़ा सा छोटा सा spark with a small spark. Their rate of combustion can also be easily controlled with the help of a valve. Their rate of combustion can also be easily controlled with the help of a valve. Harmful effects of fuels. Fuel like wood, coal, and petroleum products release unburned unburned carbon particle. These carbon particle, smoke or ash get suspended in the air. Excessive amount of these particles, the air causes breathing problem. In winter, these particles produce smog, which is very harmful to plants as well as animals. Another harmful effect, incomplete combustion of carbon fuels. The fuels whose one of the most important component is carbon is called carbon fuels, result in the formation of carbon monoxide gas. It is very poisonous gas. Even small amount of carbon monoxide in air can be breathing problem. Large amount can be proved the fatal. How is it very dangerous for human being? Carbon monoxide when inhaled passes through the lungs into the blood. It combines with the hemoglobin that present in our blood to form a complex substance known as carboxyhemoglobin. This carboxyhemoglobin is unable to transport oxygen to various parts of the body. This causes suffocation and ultimately death. It is also very harmful to our plants also. A high concentration of carbon monoxide in air affects the growth of plants, causing the leaves to drop. Combustion of most fuels release carbon dioxide in the environment. Excess of carbon dioxide in air trap heat energy, which can raise the temperature of the earth. This is termed as global warming. What is global warming? Now sun rays warm earth's surface. A part of radiation falling on the earth is absorbed by the surface of the earth and a part reflected back into the atmosphere. Some gases like carbon dioxide has capacity to trap the heat that are reflected back to the atmosphere, so they increase the temperature of the earth surface. For the reason, the average temperature of the earth atmosphere is gradually increased. This is called the global warming. This can result in the melting of polar glaciers, which is turn can lead to rise the sea level, causing floods in the coastal areas. Another harmful effect of fuel, burning of coal, diesel releases sulfur dioxide. It is an extremely suffocating gas. It dissolves in water vapor to produce sulfuric acid. The oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, when present in air, can combine with water, resulting in the formation of nitric acid and sulfuric acid. When rains, the acid produces can damage buildings, plants, trees. Such rains called acid rain.